we put together this workshop to bring together people working on developmental biology with another area of biology called the developmental origins of health and disease, and then added another field, people that study metabolism, as a methodological and conceptual way to link these two subject areas together.
What we're hoping to achieve is to get them to communicate, to understand each other's area, because they both are interrelated, but they tend to operate in sort of separate spheres.
The format of this workshop is 30 participants, 20 of whom are established scientists and 10 of whom are early career researchers, all coming together to discuss their latest unpublished work and brainstorm about the big problems and challenges in the field.
What's been fantastic is the bringing together of people from different disciplines, all focused on understanding developmental metabolism.
I hadn't fully realized before I attended the workshop that we were all really talking about metabolism, but we're just applying it in different ways and in different areas of development.
I've learned about basic aspects of development. I've learned about metabolic pathways I hadn't thought about. I've learned about how to bring all of the research we do into fora where you can actually make a difference. So I'm going to take away a lot from this meeting.
It's a very rare opportunity actually to bring together early career researchers with more established people in the field on essentially a very equal footing.
I would recommend the workshop as an early career researcher because if you really want to get an understanding of a novel topic, this is just the perfect environment, and I'm really learning a lot.
Everyone is presenting, everyone is engaged, and everyone is literally sitting at the same table, front and center, looking at all the science and discussing it together in a very informal and yet exciting and rigorous environment.
It's inviting everybody to speak and be equal participants, and that's really only possible with a smaller group.
But what is really nice is that it's organized in a way in which the talks are short, so 20 minutes for everyone, 10 minutes for discussion, so it's highly interactive.
It's just a fantastic size that you can find each other easily, and there's a lot of time to be able to talk.
It's been wonderful to be back in face-to-face meetings since the pandemic. There is nothing quite like being able to talk to people, hear the science in real time, and engage with them afterwards.
You just come here and you just have to concentrate on the science. There's nothing else that you have to worry about.
The arrangements that were put in place by the organising team have been truly fantastic.
It's been a dream to organise. Company Biologists took care of all the hard stuff, and that allowed us to think about who to invite.
There's a wide array of scientists covering this topic from different standpoints, from epidemiology to cell biology, so it's been scientifically incredibly diverse and illuminating. It's also a beautiful setting and delicious food.
If anyone has the chance of coming to one of these workshops, I'd say grasp it.
This is the start of something quite special, and that it will play out in the long term as an important part in the history of this emerging field of collaboration between these two groups.